This is Chelsea from digitalartteacher.com. In this video, we'll discuss how to use paragraph formatting, placeholder text, and paragraph styles to keep fonts consistent throughout the document. In a magazine or book, it's imperative that a designer repeat the font styles. This helps the design principle repetition in your work and makes the magazine look more like a whole publication, or it makes the magazine design look unified. In the last video, I showed you how to use the character panel. Now we need to discuss the paragraph panel. First, know that every line of your text is part of a paragraph, even if it's a title. If I were to press Enter and create a new line of text, this would be a new paragraph. And if I were to go over here to the paragraph panel and change the formatting, it would only apply to the line that I am on. I'll go ahead and undo that with Command Z, and I'll center my title. The basic options are currently visible, and you probably are familiar with some of them. Notice that these first three appear to be the same as the second three. That's because we don't have an actual paragraph to see the difference. To show you the difference, I'm going to make another text box. This box is going to contain the definition of the principle on this page. But instead of typing the whole definition, I'm going to just add some placeholder text so that I can see what it's going to look like. Select the text tool and create a text box. Go to Type, Fill with placeholder text. By doing this, you can see what a body of text will look like without having to actually fill it with content. Now you should be able to see the difference between the different types of paragraph formatting. There are more options below, but for this tutorial, we are not going to go through them. Feel free to go through them on your own if you are curious. On each page, we want to have similar formatting for the different parts of the page. We want the title, the subtitle or the definition, and the body text to be the same on each page. These are called styles. They allow you to quickly and easily apply the same formatting to other texts on your document. Let's save a few styles now. Click on the title with the text tool. You can see the font formatting that we have already applied. To save this formatting as a style, first choose what kind of style you'd like to save. InDesign allows you to save two different types of text styles, paragraph and character. Since we've changed both character and paragraph attributes, we're going to choose paragraph styles. Each document starts with the same basic paragraph formatting. This plus symbol here means that we have changed that formatting. If I were to click into this placeholder text, you'll see that the plus disappears. Every time you change something, a plus will appear in whatever style that you have selected. To add another style, click New Paragraph Style. Change the name to Title and press Enter. Now, if you click the down arrow, you see you have two different paragraph styles. And I can click between each one and easily change it. If I go down here to Title, on the other page, I can switch to the title format style. If you need to edit your text style that you've created, highlight one of the titles and change the formatting. In this case, I'll increase the size. Then click Redefine Style. Notice that when I did so, it also changed my other title. So when I redefine a style, it will change everything that I've applied this style to in my whole document. Now I'll choose a style for my subtitle and apply it there. You can create a style for the body text if you'd like, or you could just use the default basic paragraph. Now it's your turn. Start your project off right by creating a little repetition from page to page. create a text box for your subtitle and give it a text style. And if you want to, you can create a text style for your body text, which you'll be adding later. Once you've got all that done, I will see you in the next video.